taking the space kids to the California Science Center. You want to come with me? All right. This is the Viking Lander. This landed on Mars. I mean, not this one. This is actually a model because the real one's on Mars. I don't think they're going to go and have a mission to retrieve that and bring it here just so I can see it. But yeah, it's pretty sweet. This is the Apollo-Soyuz test project. This was to test a docking system that would be used for the space station. Look at that heat shield. That's seen some use. Other side of the command module, you can see that pretty awesome door mechanism. Don't want to get sucked out into space. It's cozy. And you gotta crawl through that to get into the space station when it's docked. Apollo command module spacesuit. Tom Mattingly. Look at that. That's a big suit. Hey, buddy. And a helmet, some gloves, a little backpack. Here we have samples of the alien symbiote. This thing caused a lot of problems for Peter Parker. Atoms! We're in an earthquake simulator right now. How crazy would it be if an actual earthquake happened right when this thing started? Here's a 1/5 scale model of the Hubble Space Telescope. This is how we look deep into the cosmos and see farther than we've ever seen before. Claustrophobic? Then you probably wouldn't have wanted to go into the Mercury Redstone capsule. Look how tiny this thing is. Ah, my throne. When you gotta go, you gotta go. Even in space. Oh, this isn't space, but this is still pretty cool. Look at the difference in my core temperature versus my not core temperature. My ear is much colder than the rest of my head, and my hair keeps my head quite cool. Or warm, depending on how you look at it. Hey, look! It's a space mouse. Hey, buddy. Finally, we see the piece de resistance. The Space Shuttle Endeavour. Made many missions, put many satellites into orbit. It's pretty impressive. I really thought that it would have been a lot smoother. Very rough texture. Here are the tiles. These things keep the astronauts alive on re-entry. Keep the whole ship from burning up. There's something fascinating and humbling to know that this thing was outside of our planet. I mean, yeah, still in orbit, but that's incredible. One day. And here's the engine. This is the part you usually only ever see. It's pretty fascinating to see all the inner workings of it. And that's the view that the Earth sees when this thing's taken off and telling us all to kiss its butt. As somebody who always wanted to go to space camp and be an astronaut and be a pilot and has played pilots on so many cartoons, there's nothing quite like actually being in the presence of this thing. It's pretty incredible. We can never forget these brave souls who died on the Challenger mission. I remember watching this in school when it happened. It was a really sad day. Some brave people, always reminding us how dangerous space travel is. Baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark.